That derives from cake. Hyphen, cake order. Hyphen work. Hyphen, food order. It will come okay. These are all the things, the classes, class structures, these are all things. Will taken care by some lead system arguments. Okay, we will not do generally in here is a rule set. I can see 4 different options, so like order is usually an integer rules, correct? No, the int is an integration rule set. Okay, whenever you are creating some integration rules or some integration, application integration, then those rules you have to store in int rules. Normally you will store in cake order only. Okay, you understand it. How our class structure will get created now if you click on submit. It will create background. It will create so many rules, okay. It will create P by default, data transforms. It will create the classes tables. It will create. So it will take some time, like 1 minute. Okay, you understand it. Now we are in the case lifecycle. Okay, now, if you click on App Explorer, refresh it. Okay, click on the top arrow. Yeah, that I don't refresh up Explore. Okay, see, now you got food order also. Okay, you can directly give work-food order. On the top itself search. Is there right search bar is there? Yeah, there you can give after work. You can give food order. Yeah, you can select that one. Yeah, see, now this is the food order class structure. This is our main case type class structure. Okay, it has created few things already. Data pages it has created, and if you click on a report so it will create a some report definitions, and these are all default. Okay, these are all some default things which system has created. Okay, for some internal processing somehow. You got it. Yes, now this is an application lifecycle. Now here, let's see, for every application, the design is very important. Okay, the design which we are doing initially is very important. Future purpose. Okay, we need to think on future perspective of an application, like how it will behave, okay, how exactly we can, how flexibilities, okay, those things we have to keep in mind and we have to design our application. Okay, generally, whenever we are doing any design things in your application, you have to be very careful. Okay, now go to your application life second, where I need to click. You can click on the tab right. That online food order is there. No on the correct instance. Yeah, click on that. No, then the last but one tap. Can you click on last but one tap? Yes, this is an application lifecycle. Okay now, initially it has created one lifecycle, layer 1. I think this is A. This looks like a screen flow. You click on that actions. Click on the action. No on the top. Yeah there, click on Open. You will open the case type rules. So. Now, what you will do is go to Stages. Create is there, right? Create is the first stage you have. You remove this. Create like when rule is there, right, when truly keepers never. You have some pxg Gmail right when rule. Is there stages here? Yes, on the right side. Automatically launched processes to create stage. Automatically move to the below. Below, yeah, no on the right side. Yeah, they're on this, automatically launch. Automate. There is a when rule, right, yeah. Here you have when rule, right. Yes, that when rule there is some other. When rule, right. They have given some different when rule. It was created. You click on yeah, not equal to pxg email. Is there, right? You remove that one. Yeah, you remove that one and give never. We don't require this one, we'll customize our own thing. Okay, never means it will not execute. You just save this one. Click on Save on the top. You have saved. Now what you will do? You click on the cake order rule set. Is there a cake order 010101? Yeah, the rules it. Rules at RS, is there, right? Yeah, cake order 01 under the header. Under the header. So you have a class, right? Cake order. Cake order FW, no, under the header itself. This one. Yes, under it and under it just go to. Okay, you have RS, right? No, you do slowly. Yeah, that is correct, that is a room set, okay. Open that, Roger. Now you do go to the Security tab. Security and click on that. Use Checkout Rule Management under yeah that checkbox. Save it now. What does it will do is like you will get check-ins and check-out. Go to that case. Step. Rule P by default, again the previous rule. No previous rule in the sense in the tab you have the previous tab. Right now you refresh this rule actions and refresh, you will get checkout now. Okay, that's law. You have lock option there. You have click on that lock. What does that indicate? Operate. Doesn't have rule check button. Okay, go to your operator. Third tab. Now go to Security. In your operator, you enable the yellow rule checkbox. Second one is there. Yeah, now you have save it. Now go here and refresh. You saved your operator, right? Refresh actions. Go to that P by default actions and refresh. Okay, you have to put option now. Okay, now, whenever you are making any changes to any rule, you have to check out the rule, make your changes and again check in the rule.